How to remove watermark from TikTok video in Capcut. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can remove TikTok videos watermark in Capcut. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to remove the watermark from certain videos on TikTok, you just need to simply download the video first. You may just simply tap here, and you can easily see the save video option. After that, simply tap on that save video. After that video is downloaded, you may just simply close your TikTok app and open up Capcut. And here, tap on new project. After that, select the video that you just downloaded from TikTok. So here you can see this video. There is a watermark at the very last as well. You may just split that part of the video and delete it. After that, in order to remove this part, you can see here the watermark. There is no such way from Capcut that you can remove it. You can either zoom out this video, but that will suddenly cut out the part which you may not want. So in order to download the video without any watermark, you may just go to any of the browser and search for SnapTik. Here, you may just paste the TikTok link that you just copied from that TikTok video. In order to copy the link, you may just simply open up TikTok, and here you will be able to see this arrow mark here easily. Simply tap on it, and when you scroll, you can able to see this copy link option. Simply copy the link. After that, you just need to get back to that browser and paste the link there and simply tap on download. After the download is completed, here you may just simply paste the link and tap on download. After the download is completed, you'll be able to see that video without watermark. You'll be able to see that video without any watermark in your gallery. You can see there is no watermark available. So that's how you basically download a video from Capcut. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.